Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me, we have a beautiful 1967 Ford Mustang. It's painted in green with a beautiful white top. Be sure to like and subscribe so we can give you more content like this. If you go down below in the description, you're gonna be able to click on a link. It's gonna give you underside shots, transport options, even financing options at 10% down. So be sure to like and subscribe so we can give you more good stuff. I'm gonna start off with the paint quality before we go for a test drive. I'd rate this a 6 out of 10. It's extremely nice, no rust, underside's very solid, but there are imperfections throughout. So you're gonna have little scratches, little dimples in the chrome. I'm gonna open up the hood. It's powered by a 289. You do have a air compressor here. You've got your power steering pump down there and power brakes. Shows very well, drives really nice. Radiator keeps cool. You've got your chrome strut bar here, and the hood, I always like to shake it, make sure there's no rust in there. It's good to go. This is a C-code Mustang, so it's an original V8. Close the hood right now. Closes evenly. Headlights are in nice shape. It does have a set of white wall tires on what look to be pony wheels with GT500 emblems, or GT350 emblems. That's pretty cool. Chrome is very nice. Small scratch imperfection right here, but the body lines are even on both sides. Your vinyl top is a little bit dirty, but it shows very well, and I don't feel any rust coming through. Door opens up easy. Interior shows very well. Dash pad's nice, a little bit of warpage. All the gauges seem to work. The door card does have a little bit of wear here, but it's really solid. You could jump in it and drive it. Let me get on the other side. I'll open up that door while you're looking through there and go over some of the other features. So it does have this pretty neat center console with a storage cubby, and that's removable if you want. You do have a floor shift. You have an aftermarket radio that works great. Your Mustang emblem's right here. Then you can open up your glove box to use your key. Another thing I want to show you guys is this t-shirt. So we've been doing a series of shirts. This is a third design. It's called the My Dream Girl collection. So it has a nice pin up and they're on a bullet. I'm gonna lay it on the hood. Pulls evenly, and it comes in multiple colors. So we're gonna have a link in the future for you guys to be able to buy these. But right now, just give us a holler. We can take a credit card and ship it right to you. Let's get back to the test drive. We're back at the rear quarter here. Shows very well. There's no rust, just a little bit of dirt. Underneath is very solid. All the wheel wells look good. And your tires do have 95% tread. Let me open up the trunk. While we're doing that, the chrome on the rear is very nice, as are the tail lights, and all the lights do operate. Circle for the trunk. Opens up nicely. You've got a spare tire here. Then they do have a green mat. It is solid throughout. This is glued on, so I can't really take it off, but it is solid. And the same thing with the trunk. You can shake it, no rust, and you've got Mustang up top here. Closes easily. We're on the passenger side now. The same thing with this quarter, very nice, just a little bit of dirt from going through a puddle. The vents on the side are in great shape with a little bit of imperfection. Actually, that's polish, great. A little bit of polish right there. Gonna open up the driver's side door. And close it. All the windows go up and down easily. This fender shows just like the driver's side fender. Very nice, all the insignias look good. 289 badging and your Mustang badging. It's not missing any trim pieces. Also, you might notice in the pictures, we lower these antennas for storage. So you might see the antenna down in some of the pictures. I mean, you just tighten it right back up, it's good to go. Let me start it up so you can hear it. I don't have to get inside to start it. Starts right up. It's got that signature 289 sound. Sounds really, really good. A little bit of rumble. Let's jump in it and go for a ride. We're inside right now, horn works. You've got your gauges here. You have a speedometer that goes to 120 miles an hour. You have your fuel gauge, your voltage, and your oil pressure. Temperature gauge is over here and it does operate. It's cold right now. Your radio does work. You just turn it on like that. Whoa. Actually, it sounds pretty good. Let me turn it off. Your air conditioning controls are over here. So you do fresh air, and then I believe you do this, and you'll have fresh air. Here, it's blowing from the bottom right now. You hear the compressor kick on. Your lights are right here, and they do operate. Go ahead and put it into drive. No banging, feels good. We'll take a different route today. We'll go down the side road and then get onto Ravenswood. Some bumps over here, see how it feels. Steering feels very precise. Brakes are easy, power assist. Really smooth. Oh, the brakes are really good. All right, we're leaving the property. I want to show you something that's pretty cool. Our neighbors are building a tractor right now. This thing's like 50 years old. It's got a huge turbo on it. Take a look at that. Crazy. It's got like a little downpipe. It was running. It sounded good too. Let's continue on our test drive. Whoa, black cat. Almost got her. Don't put that on the internet. All right, we're gonna turn right here. Okay, I see what the problem is. Okay. We're gonna turn right here. What I've noticed is you have to hold the turn signal indicator for the right, because when you let go of it, the light turns off. The left one does operate properly. I wonder if there's something going on with the stock, but it does work. You just have to hold it when you're turning. We're headed down Ravenswood, our regular test track here. It's been raining a lot lately. You can see all the water. Right now we're going 45 miles an hour in this Mustang, and it feels really nice. Let's see how the brakes feel. Feels like a regular car. Feels good. Good oil pressure. Voltage is good. If we weren't filming, I'd have the radio on because the radio does sound nice. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around. We'll get some outside shots, and you guys can make your decision on if this is the right car for you. As I said at the beginning, we can do financing for this specific vehicle for 10% down. Based on good credit. Also, if you want to ship it, we can assist with that as well. Just have to fill out our transport tab on our site. We'll be able to assist you there. I'm going to go ahead and turn around. You guys will be able to see what this thing's got. I'll floor it first so you can see it shift through the gears at a higher RPM. The gauges are so cool. All right, so let's test it out. Dead stop. Let's see what this thing has for acceleration. Bad. It's 55 miles an hour. Really smooth delivery, no hesitations. Just a nice driver. If you're looking for something that you can jump in, that's turnkey, it has a lot of options, it's definitely it. And I'm not just saying that, we're covering all bases here. You just realized this has a tilt column, so that's great for people of larger statures.